For gamers who value precision, comfort, and compatibility across devices, the GameSire X5 Lite delivers performance that stays locked in even when action heats up. Just 0.30 pounds, it's lightweight without sacrificing build quality. Its ergonomic shape and laser-engraved textured grips offer comfort during extended sessions. GameSire Hall Effect sticks deliver anti-drift precision, giving players a tactical edge. Engineered for expansive living spaces, this high-capacity air purifier redefines what quiet power looks like. Outfitted with a HEPA H13 grade filtration system, it removes ultrafine particles with surgical precision, capturing allergens, pollutants, and gases. Its filtration surface is 3.8 times larger than the previous generation, delivering consistent performance for up to 5 years without replacement. Sleep well wherever you roam with the Crua Culla Hammock Wraparound V2, engineered for ultimate comfort and durability in any environment. Whether you're deep in the woods or camping on a remote beach, this 4-season hammock provides the perfect sleep experience, no matter the conditions. Crafted with top-tier materials, the Crua Culla Hammock features a double-layer construction for added insulation and support. The wraparound design fully encloses you, providing shelter from the elements while ensuring maximum warmth during chilly nights. Turn any space into an instant cinema with the Samsung Freestyle 2nd Generation Smart Portable Projector. With a massive adjustable display ranging from 30 inches to 100 inches, this projector delivers a stunning full HD resolution enhanced by HDR, offering crisp images and vivid colors that transform walls and ceilings into vibrant entertainment hubs. Built with Gaming Hub integration, it lets you jump straight into gaming action without the need for a console, giving you access to a world of games streamed directly to your screen. The Lenovo ThinkBook Transparent Display Laptop represents an innovative step in the world of computing, blending physical reality with digital interaction. Though still a concept, this device introduces a 17.3-inch transparent micro-LED display, which allows users to interact with both the virtual and physical world simultaneously. The transparent screen provides a unique ability to display content while offering a clear view of what's behind it. Key features of this groundbreaking laptop include its transparent display, which can overlay digital content over real-world objects. Precision and adaptability define the Thor TEC36 Lightning Boil Burner Cooktop. Built for culinary enthusiasts who demand both speed and finesse, this 36-inch electric cooktop offers advanced features that push everyday cooking into a more professional league. At its heart is the Lightning Boil Center Burner, engineered with 3 concentric rings that adapt to your needs. Gently melt chocolate using just the 6-inch ring or activate all rings to produce rapid heat for boiling water in under a minute. Step beyond the screen and into a world where reality and imagination combine through the power of the MetaQuest 3S. Thousands of immersive experiences are waiting, from MR gaming and fitness to entertainment favorites like Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp. All accessible within the headset. Entertainment reaches new heights with stunning visuals that offer an unbeatable viewing experience. Gaming becomes transformative, letting you step inside the action instead of just watching it. At the intersection of ancient ritual and modern innovation lies a teapot designed not just to brew tea, but to read the room, feel your pulse, and create the perfect cup with quiet precision. The Yanko Smart Teapot elevates the simple act of making tea into a finely tuned performance, guided by intelligent sensors, an intuitive app, and the wisdom of time-honored technique. App-controlled precision means you don't need to guess brew times or temperatures. Simply select your tea through the connected app and let the machine do the rest. Breaking barriers between languages requires more than just translation. It demands seamless interaction. The TimeKettle X1 AI Interpreter Hub delivers just that. Built as a standalone entity, this device operates independently without the need for external apps or smartphones. Engineered for professional use, it's equipped with two-way simultaneous translator earbuds that enable natural conversations across languages in real time. MeGo Ascender charges forward where others stop. No threshold too high, no step too steep. Designed to climb stairs while cleaning with precision, this robotic vacuum breaks free from the limits of flat surfaces. With 9,700 pascals of suction power, it lifts embedded debris from carpets and hardwood alike. Built with a robust 17 Newton-meters mopping pressure system, it scrubs hard when it matters, leaving floors not just wiped but polished. The fully enclosed all-in-one base station keeps everything hygienic and hands-free. Dust, water, and maintenance are automatically managed. Imagine writing in midair, tapping invisible buttons, and swiping through digital content with just your fingertips. ZenWatch transforms gesture control into a full sensory experience. With handwriting, multi-finger typing, and intuitive air gestures, presentations in classrooms and meetings shift from static to fluid, letting you guide the room with effortless precision. Its handwriting function lets you sketch, annotate, and write without touching a screen, while multi-finger typing replicates a keyboard that floats just under your hand. The longer Nano Duo portable laser engraving machine stands out with its remarkable 5,000 millimeters per second engraving speed, offering precision and efficiency for various materials. Featuring a 6-watt laser output, it ensures high-quality engravings and cuts on a range of surfaces, from wood and acrylic to leather, fabric, metal, and ceramic. This compact machine is perfect for DIY enthusiasts looking to create intricate designs and detailed engravings with ease. The Vista portable hammock and stand offers a perfect blend of comfort and convenience for outdoor relaxation. Designed for those who value both portability and ease of setup, this hammock comes with a lightweight, easy-to-assemble frame that ensures a hassle-free experience wherever you go. Ideal for camping trips, beach days, or backyard lounging, its compact carrying bag allows for easy transportation and storage. The Mini Proca 7 brings performance and portability together in an innovative package. Packed with the powerful AMD Ryzen 9 6900HX CPU, this compact device ensures smooth multitasking and rapid processing speeds. Whether you're working on demanding applications or enjoying high-resolution content, the device excels at providing seamless performance. With DDR5 RAM options ranging from 8GB to 32GB, the Mini Proca 7 adapts to your computing needs, offering efficient memory handling for both casual users and power users alike. Built to sharpen your multitasking game, the Clumsy KX offers a 15.6-inch portable monitor with touchscreen capabilities and a crisp 1080p resolution. Designed for seamless plug-and-play with laptops and PCs, this screen extender delivers high performance without complicated setup. The 10-point touch feature ensures precise control, whether you're sketching designs, editing documents, or managing multiple tasks at once. The Insta360 X5 redefines immersive video capture, offering a leap in 360-degree technology. This cutting-edge camera boasts a 1x1.28-inch sensor, providing significantly clearer, more detailed footage, perfect for both vibrant landscapes and intricate close-ups. Its new Pure Video mode enhances low-light performance, ensuring that every shot is rich in detail, even in dim environments. The replaceable lenses enhance durability, allowing for continued reliability in various settings. When the heat bears down and the sun dips low, the Giselife Ultra One steps in as your all-in-one camp essential. This pocket-sized powerhouse delivers more than just airflow. It merges high-speed cooling, ambient lighting, and emergency power into one rugged, compact tool. Its brushless motor cranks out wind speeds up to 16.5 meters per second, pushing 45,000 RPM with 10 precise fan settings to dial in your comfort. Even from 10 feet away, you'll feel the steady breeze slicing through stagnant air. The Fisto Kucha stands out as a revolutionary piece of furniture designed to integrate seamlessly into modern living spaces. With 12 cutting-edge features, this smart couch station is a game-changer for anyone looking to combine comfort, technology, and functionality. At the heart of this innovative design is the inclusion of essential home features. A built-in fan ensures air circulation, keeping you cool and comfortable no matter the season. The RGB light system lets you set the mood with customizable colors, whether you're relaxing or entertaining guests. When ordinary projections fall flat, this innovative 3D projector transforms your space into something alive. Designed for everyday settings, it pushes beyond the boundaries of traditional displays with immersive, glasses-free 3D. It's not just a projector, it's a portal. Featuring over 50 dynamic 3D themes, it shifts effortlessly between forest serenity, ocean depth, galactic vistas, and vibrant festivals. Whether you're setting the tone for a gathering, winding down for sleep, or diving into a meditative moment, it adapts to your mood and surroundings. Craving sushi, ramen, or dim sum but struggle with chopsticks? These innovative auto sticks remove the hassle from your favorite meals. Designed for comfort and ease, auto sticks feature a press-to-use hinge that mimics the motion of traditional chopsticks, without the steep learning curve. Whether you're grabbing slippery noodles or delicate nigiri, these tools give you full control without frustration. Made with a sleek, reusable design, auto sticks are ideal for anyone who wants to enjoy authentic Asian cuisine. Engineered for efficiency in the most demanding environments, the tough-built StackTech drawer toolboxes redefine professional-grade tool storage. The StackTech 1-drawer and 3-drawer toolboxes introduce a new tier of accessibility, featuring a seamless, self-aligning stacking system and an auto-locking interface for true one-handed use. The innovative single-point slide switch allows for fast, secure operation, ideal for fast-paced job sites where every second counts. In a world where countertop space is precious and adventure calls beyond the walls of your kitchen, the Coffee Jack V2 brings professional-grade espresso to the palm of your hand. Engineered with a proprietary planetary gear system, it generates the high pressure necessary for authentic espresso extraction, without cords, bulk, or compromise. Whether you're brewing in a mountain cabin or your urban apartment, the Coffee Jack V2 delivers cafe-quality espresso consistently, every time. Not all grooming tools are built with this much purpose packed into such a small frame. This multifunctional mini mobile phone shaver redefines convenience with a truly compact, battery-free design. Crafted to run directly from your smartphone or mobile power bank, it's engineered for real-life mobility. Whether you're traveling, commuting, or simply tidying up before a meeting. Tiny Repel Rechargeable Mosquito Repeller is a compact yet powerful device designed to provide a practical solution for keeping mosquitoes at bay during outdoor activities. With its efficient 329-degree Fahrenheit heating technology, this mini repeller creates a 30-foot protection zone, ensuring you stay comfortable in your outdoor space. Its rechargeable feature makes it ideal for long trips, offering convenience and reliability without the need for constant battery replacements. Forget cramped screens and bulky setups, Screenio UL5 redefines home cinema in tight spaces. Just inches from the wall, this ultra-short throw projector casts a massive 120-inch image in stunning Full HD. The advanced triple laser light source ensures razor-sharp clarity with HDR10 and Rec 2020 color standards, delivering lifelike visuals right from your tabletop or shelf. Dual-band Wi-Fi and Bluetooth make wireless setup a breeze, while its compact frame fits seamlessly into any room. Sometimes life doesn't come with a laundry room. That's where ICTK steps in, not just as another gadget, but as a thoughtful solution to everyday drying needs. For people constantly on the go, sharing small spaces, or lacking permanent housing, ICTK brings flexibility and performance to the forefront. Dryers today are often too big, too loud, and not designed with intelligence. Even portable options on the market are clunky in practice and fail to offer true portability. For those seeking a unique blend of comfort and functionality, the lounge workspace is the perfect office chair for home environments. Designed to support extended hours of work, this chair offers flexibility that traditional office chairs cannot. Whether you need to stay alert or take a break, the lounge workspace provides two adjustable recline options: semi-reclined and fully reclined. The semi-reclined position, which tilts the backrest to a comfortable 120 to 135 degrees, strikes the perfect balance for productivity. Running a seamless stream demands precision and the right gear. The Razer Stream Controller is engineered for creators who need full control at their fingertips. With a streamlined design built for efficiency, this all-in-one keypad enhances your ability to multitask across programs without losing focus. 12 customizable haptic switchblade keys give you endless macro possibilities. Adjust the tactile feedback to your preference and assign personalized icons so you never lose track of your workflow. The BenQ GV50 laser portable projector delivers a versatile and immersive viewing experience. With a 500 lumen output, it ensures sharp visuals in various lighting conditions, making it perfect for both indoor and outdoor use. Native 1080p resolution, combined with 4K support guarantees vivid and clear image quality, enhancing your movie nights or presentations. The projector comes with a tripod base, making it easy to set up and position for optimal viewing. Escape into your favorite stories without eye strain or disturbing others. The Premium Book Light Frame transforms late-night reading into a smooth, focused experience. Designed with an optical-grade magic lighting plate, this innovative frame evenly distributes warm, shadow-free illumination directly onto the page. No hotspots. Walang halos. Just pure, focused light tailored for private moments with your book. Built for steep streets and long rides, the InMotion Climber redefines the electric scooter experience with a dual 750-watt motor system that generates a combined peak of 1,500-watt power. This robust setup propels the climber to speeds up to 23.6 miles per hour, even when facing demanding inclines and heavy riders up to 286 pounds. Its hill climbing capabilities are backed by an advanced torque system and independent dual-wheel drive that grips the pavement confidently. In a world where robotics must adapt seamlessly to human-centered environments, the Unitree G1 steps forward, not as a tool, but as a collaborative agent engineered for real-world engagement.